I just finished washing my hair. I just finished blow drying my hair. But what I noticed while I was blow drying my hair, my dog hates the blow dryer. Hey everybody, meet Major. Hi Major. What you doing, boy? You playing with the bottle? You playing with the bottle? There it is. There it is. Get the bottle. Get the bottle, Major. Good boy. Now he's playing with the bottle, but watch his reaction when I turn on the blow dryer. He's gonna get out of here so fast. He hates it. Even when I just pick it up, he'll run. See? It's not on. It's not on, boy. Here it is. It's not on. See? Major. It's just a blow dryer. It dries my hair. Want to see? Oh, you don't want to see it, huh? It's okay. Now when I turn it on, he really gets terrified. It's not even on, Major. Okay, it's off. It's off. I'm sorry. Come on. Want to play? Want to play with the bottle? Here's your bottle. Get your bottle. Get your bottle. Not why that blow dryer is there, huh? Okay, I'll put it down. There you go. I put it down. Get your bottle. You afraid of it? It's okay. I'm done. Say bye, America.